How could you come here so unprepared? Don't be silly. You might get stuck in the heat. No. While I'm messing around here, can you tell me what we're doing? Let's do the install. We're going to cobble together the intake manifold out of junk. We're tinkering all over the place and messing things up. There were too many demands. We have to make an intake manifold. Yeah. Back to Roberts. Yeah, I also rigged up another fan on the radiator just to be sure. I checked the threads. I took a look. Almost good. But it'll be good enough as a backup.
Nice.
This is a 70, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is also a 70. So for this side, we'll do half of the Corsa with the 70 and half of the Mazda with the 63. I'll cut it off right away, weld it on, tidy it up a bit, and that's it, right? I'll put 2 spots on it and then I'll put it on the cylinder, I think. So it's fair to ask, why do we need something like this? We need something like this. I usually weld the manifolds by putting them on the cylinder head. I weld everything on the cylinder head so that the base doesn't warp. Damn, you're leaving a nice spot for it. So what then? It's not necessary. It's leaking. I can't see where I'm putting it. It should go over here. Can you move the stand over here? Where? Forward, 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 towards us, towards us, towards us, somehow. It's close, but still not right. Well, then I can't weld now. Yes, this could be for Iran. Let's see. You see, this is a factory pipe. Up here, I've already made the little pipe there, so in theory the cooling system is hooked up. We have no problem with the power steering. And then with the other things, we need to do some work there. I think it's totally understandable. Usually it's always like this. Is there a check valve on it? What kind of check valve? For the brake booster vacuum. I guess it's up there. Well, because this was naturally aspirated, not turbocharged. I have a PCV valve, by the way. Then it's good, then it doesn't matter. Well, or we just grab it and put a thingy up here. Because the good thing about that is the brake is always stable. The Audi vacuum pump, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Well, we understand each other without saying much, but you guys don't get it. You guys. The point is, with Gary now, maybe I can make a trade. And maybe we can get a little ball bearing turbo. We want 300, I don't want more. You know, good is never enough. But Nordy, I get it, damn it, but we don't want to build a gearbox into it. That's the weak point. Yeah, let's say that's going to be weak. You won't be doing donuts if you drive near me with the drift taxi.
Oh yes, I will. After all, there's nothing to lose. Yeah.
So, yesterday I was at Jory's place. Emil says we shouldn't mess around with the Mini. The price difference is so small. Something like 20,000 for inch, the price difference. Let's put in a street setup. We have an exit, an entry. We can switch it, you know, disco mode. We can do all sorts of stuff with it. Another thing, we're going to put in an Audi ignition coil. We're not messing around with the ignition module.
I have the R8 Audi. It works flawlessly and it's convenient.
Because, you know,
That if something happens, then that's that.
we can get anything from anyone's anything. Yes, so now we have an injector, a fuel pump. We'll see how long what we have lasts. If we need more, we can ask Gary. I put an extra fan on the radiator. We'll try it with this radiator because it's bigger than the factory one.
If it doesn't overheat, we'll be happy.
If it overheats, then S14, well, that's exactly the problem with yours. But we can put this one in, we can upgrade it to this size. Let's see what you brought. It doesn't matter which one we put on.
It was these two.
The one that can't go on it. You can't.
I think so, so I'll leave both of them here.
This is BMW, and
I think this one's
BMW. Attila definitely has one of those.
for sure.
Yes.
I think this is the old Heffer's BMW.
This is 100% a BMW mess.
Yes.
Oh my god, very big. That's still the entire engine. I want to cut it at the rocker panel, since it's already rusted there. I'll finish the end nicely. Isn't there a MagnaFlow on the Yugo, or is there not a MagnaFlow?
Well, at the Yugo, I'm sure this is it now. Returning it.
Get him a MagnaFlow, yes. Well then this is fine.
1 out of 3.
You can't always have everything.
That's a good ratio.
Let me decide that.
Yes.
What should we do?
Let's connect the brake booster to the factory intake manifold. Or we could install a vacuum pump, an electric vacuum pump. When we rev it or party, there's no vacuum at times like that. You get it? Yes, so there's no brake at those times. Yes, we'll install it here so it's stable. The brake will always be the same, no matter what.
Well, then that's not the best.
I think a pump like this costs around 25-30 grand, okay?
But I hate these cars. Will the differential really remain stock?
No, I'll weld it later. I don't want to do it while we're working. I'll handle it after we've dynoed it. When adjusting the steering angle, then we'll weld the diff. Yeah, because it's got a 43 diff in it, which is really good, so...
Then I'll get started on this. I'll take care of it.
Goodbye. How much longer do I have to make a silly face? I've got it. This Monday morning I'm working with them to hack the intake so the inlet works better. Let's tweak it a bit, embarrassing or not. It's yellow but not striking. But it's a very powerful machine. Oh. I just get glasses, the inside, the thing, you die, your eyes fall out. I don't really like doing it. It's really good, isn't it? This is pure motorsport, you know. Port. I like it. I think it turned out really well. I'm making sure that I don't want it deeper than 10 centimeters. Okay? We'll have to adjust this later, but that's where it goes. This needs to fit here.
Of course it's broken.
So I'll just attach something to this right here. Oh, I think so. Zabo. You can even fit a size 63.5 in this because you don't have to force it at all.
It looks really good.
I think this is what will happen. I think this is flawless. You can put the IAT in there. I'm fucking pulling it. Is he the victim? Drop the body platter. Well, over there with a little stretch like that. The edge will be just right and slightly curved. I think this will be excellent, right? Yes. I'll take off a sole's width from this, so I'll leave some space for it there. I need to do this so that it will fit this much more. Let's say I need to put the hole in the middle. I'll make a huge hole in it and it'll be excellent. We can look at that in another video. Look, I think he's the right one for this spot. In terms of flow, this will be excellent. What would you like to stuff into your mouth that will end up in your stomach? There have been animals like this in the market for a long time. He likes this. Grabbed animals. Did I say it right, by the way?
Should I bring the super lubricant?
No, those are the anionic surfactants. The image quality is so junky. Too much speed. Which gear should I put it in? Sometimes it catches my little finger and then it's not so cool, but do you have the tool for disassembling the bug? Of course I did it that way too.
You wouldn't dare with this one.
Now I'm going to clean it. We're doing a magic trick. The magic has happened. Magic. This will be the fan.
Like this?
Like this, like this.
Well, 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 well.
It will be 6.5, and for an 8 thread, you need to pre-drill at 6.5. Okay, that's a problem. You know, you put the... Okay, all right, whatever. I'll drill it with the first step like this, whatever, or with the second one. We'll check anyway to see if things ended up in the right place. They're all in there, are you stupid? And the hole is already in the right place. Why wouldn't it be good? Don't mess around like that. Fucking excellent. Okay, then it'll be just right like that. It'll catch the thread, but I don't care. Good. Wood so well, I guess. Right? So does he leave it in the gun or not? The 152 ampere, we don't even ask if it's on WhatsApp now. Oh, it turned out excellent. Of course, you can only do this by eye. You drew a nice straight line. It doesn't matter. You can read it off that.
Like a diesel exhaust.
This is weird, but it's diesel. Look, 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 like that, and just as much as will fit here, it needs to be routed later. That's right. Like this, like this, like this, thank you, like this, like this. Well, this needs to be done here too. When there's little material left and it's about to solidify, which one is better for turning the screw? Then the thread, because the screw gets so stuck it ruins what's left. I tapped it there once.
Like this.
Very big fire. Oh, wow. Hey, you're beautiful. Thanks a lot.
You went to the nail salon. Why were you there again? You went to the nail salon.
Podrakstan.
No.
You should have done it at Podrax's place.
Sphinx 2! I see.
You offended one of them. Why did you bring MagnaFlow here? From Uncle Chipfus and Mario Andretti. Well, this is a famous car. It's like an American Zolti Hegiesi.
This is good.
What we know about these mufflers is that they're really good because you can make really cool cars with them, like the one we made for TBOS's car.
My goal might be a bit too much.
Stuff, good. You have this on yours too, right? With MagnaFlow, yours too. Because, you know, Mr. Decibel doesn't really like loud cars.
Decibel hurts my ears.
That's the sound of the police.
A lot of people in drifting struggled with this noise problem, and everyone solved it in their own clever way. And then came the 50 horsepower. I think you could say it's almost immeasurable performance. Maybe one day, like Soli said, he would have measured the power loss, they say. Magna also has complete systems, by the way, so you don't have to drill and modify, but in the case of Serena, we probably wouldn't have found one.
The product is available for purchase at Red Sun Shop.
And even what isn't listed, they have it too.
It would be really cool if we could check out a before and after with sound.
No, during a single measurement.
Now it's just curiosity, you know? We'll see if we have the energy for it, then maybe measure it since I'm curious. As for the performance, I think The performance difference won't show up, but the sound definitely will.
The Red Sun Fest will be on June 13th when we warmly welcome all Japanese car enthusiasts, regardless of whether they have a card or not. This huge area has enough room for all of us, even for multiple events, whether you have a card or not. Because the weather will be great by then too, so come and visit us.
We're saying goodbye to Uncle Sipas from the Delhi Thunderdome too. Say goodbye.
Very nice.
Well, I had to go over it with a planer. Let's fix my thread with the yarn. Looks like a sucking rope.
Maybe we'll have more English voiceover on our videos.
I don't know if the content would be good or the voiceover.
They didn't help translate it.
I'm sorry. That's why fucking let me go. Just look. Just so the air doesn't cavitate inside the intake manifold. Uh-huh.
You calculated this.
Golf ball effect.
Yes, and this way it feels better on the inside.
It will be like this, coming this way. Like this, like this, like this. Even though it needs to be so long. It'll need to be something like this. I can tie this together like this. Please, I'm asking nicely. I'm getting ready to go for it.
Well, a 10 grade material is a 10 grade material.
This limestone is so crappy. Oh. And to do it while it's hot. Well, it turned out nice. Let them hear it. Namaste. Take care of me, because what the hell do I have here?
And well, of course, here...
We'll have one of these as well. Oh, the engine will be roaring, but that's not a problem.
We can't see it.
That's good. Uh-huh. I haven't checked yet if this can be closed.
Definitely, but let's still check, because this is kind of...
Yeah.
Well, listen.
Then we're really going to laugh now. Give me the lamp.
Well, we calculated this so well, damn, just like that.
That you can't even check it. That's how well we calculated it.
That you really can.